Hi book friends. Today I'll be reading Focus on the Good. Yes, that's very important. And do you see the lion? Enjoying an ice cream? And it's raining. But it's focusing on the good ice cream. Yes. Okay. Let's see what this book is all about. Are you ready? Here we go. I can choose to see the good things around me. Yes, you can. You can choose to see the good things. Do you see what happened to this lion? It was eating its ice cream cone and one of the scoops fell. Oh, but it's not bothered about it because it's not a big deal. Ice cream sometimes spills. Yes. But it still has one more scoop, and that's what it's going to focus on. That it has one more scoop to enjoy. And look, the grass is green. The sky is blue, and the sun is shining bright. Yes, you can choose to see the good things around. Just like this lion. Don't focus on the bad, that spilled ice cream scoop. Focus on what you still have left, yes, and the things around you. The warm sun, the blue sky, the green grass. There's so many things. There's so many good things around, even when things go bad. The rainiest days make the most beautiful flowers grow. That's right. The rainiest days, you see the rain, make the most beautiful flowers grow. And do you see the animal? It's a rabbit. Yes, a bunny, and they hop, hop, hop around. And even though there's clouds and it's raining, the rabbit has an umbrella, a hat, a raincoat, and it's holding flowers. Yes. Because the earth needs water to grow our fruits and vegetables, and yes, beautiful flowers. So just because it's raining outside, it's not all bad, because the flowers need it, and the trees and the gardens that grow our food. Yes, the rain is actually good. The rain is good. Even ugly sweaters are soft and warm. Oh, do you have a sweater you don't like? I love sweaters. I collect sweaters. I love to feel nice and cozy. And yes, some of my sweaters, they're not super pretty. But yes, they're soft and warm. And look at this. Whoa! That's called, maybe it's a wiener dog because it's so long. And look at the long sweater it has on with all the beautiful colors. Yes, I don't think that sweater's ugly. It's so pretty. It has all the colors of the rainbow. Yes. But sometimes if you don't like to wear your sweater, it's okay. Yes, because it's soft and warm. Yes, on a cold day, you gotta wear your sweater. Even when things get dark around me, the stars come out to light the way. You can find good in anything. Isn't that right? Do you know what kind of animal this is? It's called a narwhal. Yes. And that horn that you see is a tusk. Wow, they're such interesting animals. My goodness. And the moon is out and the stars are shining in the sky. Oh, and they're surrounded by ice. That is so beautiful. Yes, when things get dark, there's still beauty out there. You just have to open your eyes. Even in the dark, there's beautiful things out, like the stars and the moon. Have you ever seen the moon out? Maybe tonight? you can go out and search for it. If there's no clouds in the sky, you should see it. Oh, and you should see some stars too. So beautiful. Yes. You can find good in anything. Yes. It's good to try to find the good things in ugly situations because sometimes bad things happen. Yes, they do. But you have to try really hard and look at the good things. Yes. And there's always a good thing. I promise you, there always is. Okay, and that takes practice. Finding the good things in everything, that takes a lot of practice. So next time you're sad, try to focus on the good things, like the sun and the grass and the night sky, and even simple things like a smile or a chocolate. Yes, or your favorite song or a hug or a cozy sweater. Yes, those are all good things that we can focus on when we're not feeling too good. Yes, focus on the good. Yay! Remember to practice, 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 and soon it'll become very easy to see the good. Bye-bye, book friends.